Hello, hi, I am Jai children. This is your Ruth Miss back from SK Public CBSE School, Phuket. And today is a new day. Yes, can you see outside children? How is it? It is dark? No, it is bright because sun is rising up, right? So warm good morning to each and everyone. Children, this is the beginning of the class. So what you all have to do, you remember that? Yes, you have to say the Gayatri Mantra and also the prayer. Now we will begin our today's session, that is the first session, English. Before beginning English writing work, we will learn about nature. Nature. What is the nature? Do you know what is nature? Yes, do you know children? Don't know? Yes, I will show you what is the nature. Yes children, can you see? Here are green plants. Beautiful? Yes. So plants, trees and all these things are known as nature. Okay, what do we see around us? What are we seeing? We are seeing different types of trees and plants. There are many people. Yes, and this is your school. So this is your school building. Yes, so this is the nature, and when you just see up, you can see the sky, which is blue in color. Okay, the sky is blue in color, and we also see clouds, and when we see up, you can see a sun which is shining over there where you can't see directly. So children, these are the surrounding or what the nature we see. So did you understand children what is nature? Yes, nature is the things which are around us. Yes children, so in nature what do we see? We see the sun, the moon, star and also the air. Yes, when you see some trees and plants moving, you come to know there is air, gali. Aita? So in nature we see the sun, moon, stars and also the air. And how do we get water? Water is also the part of nature. How do we get water? We get water by rain. Now, in nature, the first part is the sky. Okay, the sky. As I showed you, sky is in blue color. Akasha. It is in blue color and there will be clouds. Clouds will be in white color. So, we get rain from the sky, right? When clouds become dark, we get rain. Now, when it is day, this is day now. At night, you go and sleep. So, what do we see in the sky in the daytime? We see the sun. And at night, we see moon and stars. So, these are day and night. So, when sun rises in the morning, it becomes day. And slowly evening when it sets down, it becomes dark. But then what do you see on the sky? You see twinkling stars and also a moon, Chanda Mama. Yes? Yeah. Now, after this, what do you see when the sun is rising? Yes, when the sun is rising, you see the birds flying and you hear the birds creeping. Because birds are coming out from their nest and they are going here and there in search of their food. So when the sun rises, you see the birds coming out of their nest. And when the sun sets, it becomes night. The time you see when it's getting little darker, you see birds are going back to their nest. Yes. Same way, we people also, we sleep in the night, we sleep at night, and when it becomes morning, we get up, bigger people go for work and the younger one go for school and all the work begins. Do you sit at night and work? No, only daytime we work. So animals and birds also take rest at night and human beings, we also take rest at night. So when the sun is there, it is dark day, and when it is dark, night, it is moon and stars. So what does the sun give us? What does the sun give us? Do you on light in the morning at home? No, because the sun gives us light and also heat. When you feel heat, you tell, oh, it's so hot. So the sun gives us heat and light. Okay, we on the lights only at night. Now, what does the water? Why do we need water? Yes, water is very useful. Yes, water is very useful. Water is used for drinking, bathing, washing the clothes, cleaning the house, yes, cleaning the utensils. So water is very useful. But before water, can you stay without breathing? Can you say stay? No. Just close your mouth and nose. Can you stay for a long time? No, you tell, I can't breathe. So, air. Air, as I told, air is everywhere. Air is in this room, air is in your house, air is outside, air is everywhere. Can you see the air? Garden ನೋಡಬಹುದಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Can you see? No, we cannot see air, but we can feel. See? Yes, we can feel air. And also, now see here. Yes, now I'll catch like this. Is it moving? No. Air is there. So by this you will feel that air is there. And also one more thing. Now see. Yes, air is there. Air is everywhere. What is air? Spelling? A-I-R. Air is everywhere. Now when do you see the sun? We see the sun in the daytime, day by day. Okay. When do we see the moon and stars? We see this at night. Okay children? We see it in the night. So air is everywhere. You blow the balloon, balloon becomes big, right? So air is there in the balloon and air is everywhere. You put blow for the tire, cycle tire, air, okay? It gets big, so air is there in that because you are putting. So air is everywhere children. Remember, the sky, the moon, star, trees, plants, everything are the part of the nature. Okay children, now we'll get back to the writing work. Okay children, now we'll start the writing work. Here, today's date is 22/10/October 2021. Okay, and then the heading is 2-letter words. You are thinking we might have finished 2-letter words, right? Yes, we have finished, but we have to revise it once again. Can't say most of them have written, might not read again, right? So if we start again, we will read it. So we will write today 2 letters word in your 4-line notebook. We are going to write 5 plus 5, 10 words. Okay children, so first one is A-N. An. A-N. An. A and no is an. A-T. A-T. At. A-T. At. O-N. On. O-N. On. N-O. N-O. No. I-S. Is. Children, see one thing that I am writing all the words or all the letters in small letter. Okay? So you also have to write in small letter. I-T. It. I-T. It. D-O. Do. write in correct way. S-O, so, S-O, so, sorry, G-O, go, M-E, me, M-E, me, S-O, so, S-O, so. So we'll read this once again. A-N, an, A-T, at, O-N, on, N-O, no, I-S, is, I-T, it, D-O, do, G-O, go, M-E, me, S-O, so. So children, these are how many words? 10 words. You have to write this in your notebook one time, but see that you read on and on. Okay? Practice this word because this will be useful for you in reading the sentence. Okay? Am will come. Yes, this is a bag. Is coming. It is my pet. I take it. The book is in the bag. I am in. So, 2-letter words are useful to read the sentence. So children, see that we practice these words, and in the next class we will write again the remaining 10 words. Okay? Good children, I'll be back in the next class. Till then, take care.